Transforming a half bathroom into a full bathroom is a significant renovation project that can greatly enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your home. We started with the plan. We want the bathroom that really works. First, we have to tear down the old stuff. Out with the old, make room for the new. The guts of the bathroom got upgraded too. Pipes, wires, all the behind the scene stuff had to change. New walls went up, drywall like a fresh canvas, ready for something beautiful. The floor got the makeover with new tiles 32 by 32 inch and matte finish, making it look fantastic. Walls come alive with cool tiles adding personality and style, with porcelain tiles 32 by 32 inch polished finish. We put in all the good stuff, shower with tiles 2 by 2 inch and 2 shower niches. This wall mountain vanity has a wood grain look and modern, all white vanity top. The shower head is a combo function, rainfall and waterfall. Handheld shower is also a must for this bathroom remodel project. We installed a semi-frame 3/8 inch glass shower door. We added shelves to keep the bathroom organized. Lights and fans were put in to make the bathrooms cozy and comfortable. Finally, we add mirrors, towel holders, and other details that made it feel complete. If you missed our last video, you can catch it right here. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.